Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut PC Pro 15.1. So here are the scenarios painted: the HDD, case speaker, front fan, rear USB fan, and we're going to install the processor, heatsink and fan, install the memory so it will function in dual channel mode, install a power supply, connect the computer to a power source, install the 2 SATA hard drive, install the solid state drive. We're also going to install the SATA CD drive, connect the monitor with power, keyboard, mouse, and boot into the BIOS configuration utility to verify that you have installed the hardware correctly. So let's see. You work at computer store and building a computer for a customer. Alright, so first thing we want to start for is with the system case. In this lab, we're going to build a computer. So here we're going to put the motherboard aside, and we go to the back of this and see if the peripherals match. Let's go over to the motherboard area of the CPU case, and we're going to place in our motherboard here. I'm going to apply this. So let's see, HDD LED. We're going to impute this in the appropriate port here. Let's impute this here. Let's impute this here. Let's impute this here. You want to select the connector for the case fan, and we'll plug this in here. Plug the USB connector here. Plug this here. Plug this here. And USB 3.0. Install the processor, heatsink and fan. Install the memory so it will. So let's see. which are the cables that we still need to install here. Let's move this to this side. Now we'll plug this in here. Plug this in here. So now for the processor, we want to fix in this here. And we want to add the cooling fan. The cooling fan and the heatsink actually. Let's scroll down and we need to plug in the connector for the cooling fan. So, but first we need to add the power supply. So we add the appropriate power supply here. Add this. Let's see. Add this here. Let's plug this in here. I need to plug this into the appropriate port here. And this cable is going, let's see, then we'll plug in the mouse, the memory rather, here. Then we'll plug in one here in this port. And see, put in the hard drive here. So for the monitor, we want to plug in the appropriate cables for the monitor. So we drag the power cable here and we plug in this into the socket at the back, and the other end is supposed to go into the wall outlet. But we need to plug in the VGA cable also. Let's see. So one end is going here and the other end is supposed to go into the computer. That is the CPU. So here we're going to install the DVD drive, connect the monitor, and boot into the BIOS. Okay, so let's connect the appropriate cables at the back of the CPU. Let's make this a bit bigger. So you will connect this here. This is the HDMI cable, and the other end is going to come to the back of the CPU. There is an HDMI port there. So we just plug this in here. So plug in this into this port, and the other end is going to go into this port right here. Plug in this other end here. So the fan connector, let's plug this in here. Let's drag this in here. This is for the power switch. Let's see. So this is supposed to come here. This is SATA connector for the DVD-ROM, and the other end is going to come here. Okay, that is for the hard drive rather, and this is for the power. And this is the DVD-ROM. I place the DVD-ROM here, and we'll go ahead and connect the cable, SATA cable for the DVD-ROM. Place one end here, and of course the other end is going inside the CPU motherboard. So plug in the power supply for the DVD-ROM, and the other end will go inside this end will go in the CPU. Plug this end here. Plug this end here. And plug this end here. And that's easy, folks. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.